But even if you are standing up for yourself, it should not come from the place of, now I will show this person, now I will bring this person to their knees, now this person have to beg for their life, for the forgiveness. Now this person will know that what they did by hurting me. No, even if you are fighting, it should come from the place of that, okay, this person did wrong to me. Is standing against this person is for the higher good of all. Will it make some kind of impact for others also to evolve and grow and heal? In this मुझे महाभारत के कर्ण की याद आती है, okay, because the choices that he made in his life, even if he was very powerful, knowledgeable and all those things, but he allowed his pain, if I'm saying it right, because I don't know about these things in depth, but so what I know I will share. So the choices that he made in his life, he had to face the consequences of those choices, because even though he was powerful, even though he was knowledgeable, even though he had knowledge of so many things, even though the Surya Dev was with him, but because he was making the wrong choices, from the place he allowed his anger, his sadness, his grief to make those choices. He wanted to take the revenge for himself. He wanted to show those people that something wrong happened to him. He wanted to show everyone that I was rejected. I was not accepted. And he always justified his action because he was so attached to his pain and sufferings. Okay, he always justified his wrongdoing because he was in the victim mindset. अगर वो सही place से आता तो he could have used that opportunity to help more people like him, because now he is more powerful, now he is more knowledgeable, now even the God is with him, he have the direct connection with the Surya Dev. He could have used it to bring justice or to support more people like him, more man like him, by releasing the victim mentality, by learning the